Hi, we at Samsung Mobile would like to introduce the new Samsung Ativ S, our first Windows 8 smartphone. Let's take a look at the sleek, compact design. You can see the front camera here at the top, along with the home button at the bottom, next to these two touch keys, the back and the search key. The back has a beautiful aluminum silver color. You can also see the unique grid design of the speaker here on the bottom of the phone. And at the top is the powerful 8-megapixel camera along with a flash. Underneath the removable back panel, the Ativ S allows you to add a microSD card for extra space. And there's a detachable 2300 mAh battery, so you don't have to worry about running out of power. We can clearly see how slim the Ativ S is. It's actually the slimmest Windows phone on the market. And while it is impressively lightweight, it is also extremely durable. Let's take a look inside. As I turn on and swipe into the start screen, you can immediately see the crisp detail and vivid colors on the 4.8-inch HD Super AMOLED display. On the start screen, there are tiles representing individual applications. And if we scroll up and down, we can see how fast and smooth the new Windows Phone is. Which applications are shown as tiles is entirely up to the user, as it is very easy to customize. By swiping left, we can see all the applications that are installed on the Ativ S. Here's a Help and Tips app. If I want to put this on the home screen, I just hold down, pin to start, and there it is. I can also customize the size of these tiles. Let me demonstrate with the Now tile. Currently it is in the default size, but I can make it smaller by tapping this arrow here, or larger by tapping it again. This is the largest of the three sizes. The other button up here is for unpinning it from the start screen. And we can move any of these tiles to more convenient places. This can be done with any tile regardless of how large or small it is. And if I change the size of the tile, the other tiles will move up to fill the empty spaces. One of the nice features of the Ativ S is Kids Corner. If you go into the settings and select Kids Corner here, it's password protected, so you can keep your phone safe if you have kids. You don't have to worry that they might change your settings or access inappropriate content since you can customize what they can access. I'll select Camera and Chat On from the list and click the check mark. And by pushing the Launch Kids Corner here at the bottom, you can easily safeguard your device. Now you can see only the tiles that I have selected. Let's check out some unique Windows Phone features that make the Ativ S stand out. Since we know that searching is one of the main ways that people use their smartphones, Ativ S has a dedicated search button here. I just click, and I'm right into the search app, so I can easily find whatever I need. And by using these shortcuts at the bottom, I can scan barcodes, books, and DVDs, identify music that's playing, or find nearby locations. Very fast, very easy. Another great feature of the Ativ S is easy access to Microsoft Office in the palm of my hand. No matter where I am, I can create spreadsheets, documents, and edit presentations, so I don't need to wait until I'm in front of a computer to get a head start on my work. Let me show you how this works by opening a sample presentation file. Here's the first slide. As you can see, just like on a PC, I can touch here to write notes, or if I want to make a slight change in the slide, I can click this pen button and touch the part I want to edit. Now I can use this keyboard to type what I want to add and hit save. Then I can just click this slide button and I'm right back into slide mode. And by pushing this thumbnail button, I can see a preview of all my slides. Very convenient for productivity on the go. When I save my files though, not everything has to be stored directly on the phone itself. Users are entitled to 7 GB of free storage with SkyDrive. All I need to do is click Save To, and select SkyDrive. Let's check the SkyDrive to see my saved file. There it is, and with one click I can open it right back up and resume my work. And conveniently, I can access the same file when I'm back on my computer for a seamless experience. Thank you for watching our Ativ S hands-on video. To learn more, check out these additional videos or visit the Samsung Mobile YouTube channel.